G'day everybody, I'm Melody Blue. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holiday. I wanted to show you today, I want to demonstrate how to use this book. Listen to this paper. That's thick. And you get two prints. No, not this one, I don't think. Anyway, I want to show my beginners how this book will help you and how to color in it. And I'm going to be using whatever pencils I can grab off my table, my desk. I got all kinds up here. Okay. Guess I'm going to do some flowers. Okay, say you want to color these flowers here. You don't have to, you see how it's shaded? You don't have to do anything special. See how it's colored? You got color on it, and it's already shaded for you. And that's how this book works. And if you're a beginner, you learn by doing. And after this whole book is nothing but a page after page of lesson. And you're learning without really learning. You get it? You learn by doing. That's what I was always told. So, now you got your color down there. And it's already shaded and everything. But you want to go a little bit further. Well, you know that's dark. Let's go to our next darkest color. We'll go in here and put our own little shadows there on our by ourselves. So you can add to it. So we're going to go put our next color in. So where are we going to put the darkest at? Right where you see it's dark. Take your darkest color. Don't mash hard. You don't need to mash hard because this does it for you. You just lightly go over wherever it's shaded. Take your darkest pencil and go in there. Now let's see, you can do this. This is just if you want to. You can. But there you got it. You see that? Already did for you. Already did for you. Well, like I said, if this is just a, if you want to, you can go around and add little, add your little touch to it. But like I said, just wherever you see it's darkened, that's where you use your darkest color. And there you is. All nice and colored in. Nice and shaded. And you do this is how you do the whole book. When you use a color that you want, you color over everything, including your dark area. And when you see where your dark area is, you know that's where your dark color goes. Or you don't even have to do that. You can just color over it and leave it, and it's still shaded in for you. Let's do this. Right. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Okay. See how he's shadowed Alright, let's go in with our... Hang on a minute. Let's go in with our lightest color first. Do not mash. This book you do not need to mash hard in. It's good thick paper. It's got a lot of tooth to it. So you come in with your lightest color. Let's see, it's light around here. And I'm not putting any pressure on it at all. Okay. So now we can take our darker color and just go right over the where they've indicated the shadow is. There you got it. And you just keep coloring your lightest spot. And you can blend that if you want to. Blend it out. That's just if you want to. But there you go. See, I'm not even trying color right, you know. I'm just sitting here. And that's where your darkest color goes. And that's how this book works. And this is why I wanted my beginners to get this book. Is because you don't, it takes all the worry out of it. Takes all the guesswork out of it. All you need to do is just color. Oh, let's see what I want to do this time. Let's do it like this. Now I'm not mashing on the pencil at all. And I'm just going to color this whole thing. Like so. Kind of get it even. Like I said, I'm not even really trying. So that was my blue. I can come in with my purple now for the shadow. Just color over the dark area. Not hard. Don't mash on it hard. And wherever you see dark, print, shadow, that's where you go. That's where you go. I'm just coming in with some Prismacolor sky blue light. Just kind of even it out. And like I said, you can blend it if you want to. It's entirely up to you. You don't have to. I'm trying to give it little swirls. Where I see swirls at. And there you go. It's done for you. Like I said, now there's things that aren't shaded. Don't worry about it. You do what you gotta do. But everything is shaded, even behind here if you can't see it. There's shading everywhere. So, like I said, this is why I wanted my beginners to get this book. It's a beautiful book. It's got, listen to that paper. That's cardstock paper. That's good paper, and it's got some tooth to it. So, like I said, this is why I wanted my beginners to get this book. Is you're going to learn by doing, and you're going to accomplish a page in no time, and you're going to feel good about yourself, which is going to make you do better. And I try to buy books that I can teach y'all something out of. And this is one that I had been wanting to do. And, yeah. So, the book is Dimensions by Francois Gautier. I think I paid $7 for this book, but I would encourage all my beginners to get this book. And like I said, everything is done for you. You don't have to do a thing. Markers, markers will work. They'll work. Gel pens, they'll work. Because the shadow is going to come through. And then you're going to go over that shadow with what? With your darker color to enhance that gray shadow. That's teaching you, hey, I need to shade here. I need a shadow here. So, if you can't afford the book right now, it's worth it to save up the money for. And of course, I got it from Amazon. Um, but this is what I wanted to bring to you next. And I'm sorry I didn't get to the Christmas coloring, but I wasn't feeling well. I'll be honest. I was depressed. Okay, so I'll be honest with y'all. I'm not, I'm not one of those that try to be perfect every day and everything's sunshiny and happy. Because in real life, we all know it's not like that. Okay, guys. Well, that's what I wanted to show you about this book. If you can afford it, get it. If you can't, save up for it because it's worth it. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell y'all I love you very much. Until the next one, peace out. Bye.